Okay, people, right now the time is 10 o'clock in the night, 10 8 22 8, which means 10 8. It's night, bro. I don't know whether you can see or not, it's night, okay? So, yeah, रात के 10 बजे है and this is a random thought of me recording this video because first of all, I thought I'll be studying throughout the night because throughout the day, basically I spent today by sleeping, bro. I didn't do anything valuable throughout the day because I had fever today. Very firstly, today is Saturday, bro. Let me show. Today is 1st November. Today is 1st November. Happy Karnataka Rajyotsava. I mean, belated Happy Karnataka Rajyotsava to all. And second of all, today is Saturday. Second of all, the thing is, it's been a month. I haven't uploaded anything in my YouTube channel, so I thought I'll be coming back to the track. Anyways, my plan was to upload at least one video in a month. So I guess this is my right, thought of recording the thing, recording my what do you call, overnight study challenge thing, and also study for the day throughout the night. My bad. Study throughout the night because throughout the day I haven't done anything valuable in the sense, for me value means studying, gaining some knowledge about any knowledge it could be. And yeah, most importantly nowadays, valuable thing means studying Hawk International. Hawk International is a platform where we study for CMA, bro. So yeah, I have to study now, and I have also I have, this is my plan for today. Random to do list, basically, which means EFR का मतलब है external financial reporting, and PBF means planning, budgeting and forecasting. These two are the subjects, and unit 3 and unit 2, in दोनों का I have to make sure ये दोनों will be ticked. What do you call it? These two things should be done by tomorrow morning. Basically 2nd of November's morning. मतलब क्या बोलते हैं यार? Yeah, you got the point anyways. So these two are the subjects which I'm studying right now. So okay, Mohan's here, my roommate. He is from ACCA, and even he is studying throughout the night today because he is a ACCA student. And anyways, CMA, ACCA guys, we are supporting each other. He is my roommate, and the other roommate is missing. He has gone to his home. He has been to his home. Like, he stays in Bangalore only. Yeah. Anyways, missing you, Pranav. Yeah, fine. So let's go. Okay, so as before, the video before I uploaded this video, what was the name of that video, bro? Some overnight study for ISA exam जो मैंने किया था. The same thing I'm doing in this video as well. Basically, I got the same hot water thingy and few coffee packets ready, and there's a hot water in this bottle. So all these things are ready. Let's go, people. Let's start studying. Let's go. And moreover, there's one more to-do list added: cost management. So these three are the CMA subjects: external financial reporting, planning, budgeting and forecasting, and cost management. These three are the for now, these three are the CMA subjects. So yeah, let's go. So from past 1.5 hours I was studying, and अभी तक none of the plans are done. I have to still study a lot, bro, and I thought I'll be taking a break. Right now it is 11:30. I started studying at 10 o'clock. That's what I mean, bro. Like, that's what I said. I was studying for 1.5 hours. Right now it is 11:30. I thought I'll be taking a break. So बाहर जाके देखते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है. Okay, so it is a very peaceful night. Okay, most of them have gone to their natives, their homes. So let's see what's going on outside the hostel. Usually there'll be people who will be roaming around, walking around. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's happening, what's going on. Okay, अभी फिलहाल के लिए तो हॉस्टल ऐसा दिख रहा है. There are people roaming around, walking around, talking around with people, with their कुछ भी बोलो यार. They might be talking with anyone. Okay, so let's make a random raid in IT vlog. So this is Pranav's room. IT07. What's going on? Okay, what's going on? Okay, even these guys from ACCA. And you're studying? No. What's going on then? Okay, fine. He's feeling a bit uncomfortable. I'll stop recording for some seconds and then come back. Yeah, I just came out of that room, Pranav ka room, and I'm searching for Mohan, bro. Where is Mohan? Hello. Yeah, I'm searching for Mohan right now. My roommate मेरे को पढ़ता हुआ देख के वो चला गया यार. He is not studying only. He is spending time in his phone. He is talking to some people, his friends. उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा अभी. This is what I usually do in breaks, bro. 10 मिनट के ब्रेक में बहुत कुछ करता हूँ मैं. Like I take small walk around the hostel. And moreover, ये जो building है, this campus is so huge where you almost get lost. So this is what he's doing, bro. He's speaking to someone in the call. Okay, fine, he might be busy. So let's go. Let's go back to studies. Abhi, why did they turn off this corridor light, yaar? Okay, छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं. Anyways, the flash is on. So now I'll be preparing coffee, and then black coffee basically, because we don't get milk here, bro. Yeah, and this time I don't have sugar, bro. All the sugar is over. So, and I forgot to get sugar from the grocery store. कुछ भी बोलो यार, grocery shop. And now I have to prepare coffee and then consume caffeine, and then again start studying. And I'm gonna stop recording now because it's a bit challenging opening the door from one hand. So I'll meet you guys once I enter the room. Bye. Okay, people, I entered the room. It was a bit challenging to unlock the door with एक हाथ, one hand. So that's why I thought I'll be pausing the video. There's no need of explaining this, bro. Why are you explaining this to people? Okay, fine. Yeah. Let's prepare coffee and spoil our health by consuming caffeine, and avoid our sleep, then start studying, bro. It's 11:30. नहीं 11:30 थोड़ी होगा भाई. Okay, it's 11:35. Only 5 minutes passed. Okay, I still have 5 minutes to prepare coffee. Let's go. coffee is done and break is done. We have to get back to studies now. And Hamara Mohan Bhai is back. He's studying his ACCA stuff. And let's go! Okay people, it is 1:45. What's the time there?
144.
Dikha na?
Hey, don't shoot.
Okay, fine, chodo. 1:45. Some personal things. Okay, 1:45. Right now the time is 1:45 in the night, as you can see, and right now it's not. This area is not much crowded right now, and बहुत नींद आ रही थी. So none of the units are completed yet, and now we are going to the vending machine to purchase some snacks. Yeah, because नींद आ रही थी थोड़ा सा. So just to avoid that sleep, if you keep chewing something, I usually, I don't know about other people, I don't know about you guys, I don't know about Mohan. I experienced that when I keep chewing something, only then I kind of avoid sleeping. So right now it's 1:45. Let's go and grab some snacks and be awake all the night. Let's go, bro. Okay, so this is the vending machine which I was talking about, and it is 1:45 in the night. And Jagannath, this is a BTech guy and my housemate. Yeah, बहुत सारे लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं यार. Let's go. All the best, bye. Okay, snacks ला लिया था हमने. We purchased the snacks and खत्म भी हो गया भाई. And Mohan is going for a nap. Mohan? Yeah, he's taking a nap for 20 minutes and he has asked me to wake him up after 20 minutes. So मुझे भी बहुत नींद आ रही है, but I have to dedicate my time because none of the tasks are completed. तीनों के तीनों बॉक्स ऐसे ही खाली पड़े हैं भाई. So and the good thing is tomorrow is Sunday. I can wake up anytime and again start working on these tasks. So अभी जो है आई एम प्लानिंग कि जितना हो सके उतना पुश करूँगा. I'll push myself and then I'll go to sleep because waking up the whole night, I don't think it's worth it. So anyways, tomorrow is Sunday. I can like sleep as much as I want, but sleeping the whole day just because you were awake the whole night doesn't really make sense. So yeah, right now it is 2:24. बहुत टाइम हो गया यार. बहुत ही बड़ा ब्रेक लिया हमने. A very big break. So let's get back to studies, guys. Let's go. Okay, so right now it is, I guess, 3 o'clock. Yeah, 2:57, almost 3 o'clock in the night, and finally I can do this. Oh, 1 minute, ये वाला is done. So there are 2 more remaining, which I guess probably I'll be doing it tomorrow, bro. Which I'll be completing it tomorrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to bed, and tomorrow I'm gonna complete the remaining tasks. So good night. Okay people, 11 o'clock in the morning right now. As you can see, उजाला हो चुका है, सूरज मामा आ चुके हैं. And yeah, so the thing is, I actually went to bed at 3:30 in the night, and in 30 minutes में the time which I stopped recording was 3 o'clock, and then 3 o'clock से लेके 3:30 तक I was so worried about my clips. I was very worried about my the videos which I recorded, the clips which I recorded. So I was checking those clips again and again. उसमें 30 minutes went like that. So I went to bed at around 3:30 in the night, and right now it is 11 o'clock. Let's show this anyways. Okay. Right now it is 11 o'clock in the morning, and I missed the breakfast. Okay, no problem. Now I'm gonna get back to studies because जो है there are 2 more things which are left behind. So I have to tick them off. Otherwise I won't be satisfied, bro. So I'm gonna get back to studies and make sure वो दोनों box are ticked. And 12:30 is the lunch time for us, and 12:30 को जाके we'll have our lunch. And I know it's a bit long time, bro. Like I slept for a long time, 3:30 to 11 o'clock in the morning, bro. It's like almost 7.5 hours, I guess. 1 minute. 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours of sleep is actually good. And moreover, today is Sunday. Nobody really cares, bro. If it was Monday, I would have by this time I would have missed one session, bro. One session of attendance. Yeah, let's get back to studies, bro. Okay, people, now cost management is also done. I'm left with only one thing to do, that is external financial reporting. So this one is also done. Let's go. Only one is remaining, which I'll be doing it in 1 hour, I guess. In coming 1 hour. Right now it is 12:15. एंड 12:30 को हमारा लंच ब्रेक है. लंच ब्रेक इन द सेंस लंच टाइम. एंड 12:30 द मेस ओपन्स. एंड लंच खाने के बाद, एंड बाय द वे मी एंड मोहन आर प्लानिंग टू गो टू ISKCON टुडे. सो आई गेस बिफोर गोइंग टू ISKCON or after coming back from ISKCON, I don't think after coming back from ISKCON I'll be able to complete it because आते आते रात हो जाएगा. It will be 9 o'clock in the night. So yeah, I guess I'll be completing this task before going to ISKCON. That is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So let's go. Okay, people, right now the time is 1:10 in the afternoon, and there's a change in a plan. I don't think I'll be able to complete one task, that is unit 3 of EFR, that is external financial reporting. एक सब्जेक्ट का एक यूनिट कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाया मैं. Basically one task remains unaccomplished because 2 बजे हमको निकलना है to ISKCON. 3 o'clock we have to be there, and उसके बाद by the time I come back from ISKCON it will be 9 o'clock in the night. So I'm gonna cancel that one to-do list. Very sorry. Why am I sorry, bro? It's a loss for me only. So, where's my pen? So, this one is going to be scratched out because it's a very unrealistic thing. Because unit 3 में जो है, there is a lot of information like which you need to at least have 2 hours of your time. So if I have to complete that unit 3 of EFR, I need to dedicate at least 3 hours, I guess 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours of my time. Only then I'll be able to, like, you know, complete the task. So this will be the last clip. Basically the vlog is gonna end, so let's end the vlog. So if you like the video, please do like the video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel and make sure you press the bell icon so that you never miss any upload. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.